Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to introduce Makita Circular Saw. The model HS0600. Specification: blade diameter 255 to 270 mm, 9.2 ampere and 2000 watt tech. It's powerful. For design, with soft grip, provide more comfort when using, do not feel tired. For housing, it's flat, so when you change the blade, it's stable. You can see like this. For plate base, designed by material aluminum. Blade cover, magnesium die cast. So this model is lightweight, only 7.6 kilogram. For calibrate, easy to read. For dip, adjust and be well adjust, not flip. Dip adjust from 10 to 90, but for the maximum dip cutting 97 mm. For bevel adjust from 0 to 50. For the blade come with the motor. Inside the box, the model B10584, blade diameter 260 and have 24 teeth. This one not a fake cut. Here, connect with vacuum accessory. You can use with vacuum to vacuum the dust when cutting for more comfort. Don't want dust spread out. So I put my camera on stand and connect with electric to start the motor to saw. For cord, 2.5 meter. Okay, I start. I already connect with electric plug. This model no soft start, no brake, so it you can see it start from the maximum rotation speed, and it takes time for stop. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment or want to see any model, please comment below. See you in the next video.